Hey everybody, welcome back, welcome back. How are you doing? Good, I hope. Good, good, good. I have the start of our fall hauls. I don't think I'll do a lot of them as far as buying stuff, but I couldn't pass up these things. I know I said I didn't want to buy anything, and I don't. But if I can find stuff. Okay, so I was saying, I've got, this is the first fall kind of haul that I've been doing for our new fall series 2021. And there will be, I'm sure there'll be a couple more, but it'll be mostly making things. So, but we will get to that. Okay, I found, like I said before, that paint that I got from Dollar Tree sucks. That, this tube stuff. This tube stuff. I don't know if it was just bad or if you have to really mix it or what, but it is really, 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 really watery. So I'm thinking you probably have to mix it really good. I don't know. I don't know, but I didn't like it. I had to mix it with another kind. So yesterday at my Family Dollar, this is Rich Art, Arcology Premium Acrylic Paint. So I took a little dab of this yesterday and tried it on my little mailbox I got right here, and it's thicker. It's not watery or anything because I still have a project over here that I need to do for Christmas in July. And yeah. So anyway, I got the white paint. This stuff, I don't know. You could try it if you want to, but I'm not buying anymore unless this thickens up somehow. But yeah, I'm not a fan. So at my Family Dollar, they put out the fall stock. They put it out. They started putting stuff out like a week ago when I was there, and then I hadn't been there for a little bit, and I went down yesterday, and they put out a bunch of fall stuff. They put the fall only stuff out first, then they'll add the Halloween later. But I saw this and it was $5. I'm like, that's all coming off. I wanted it for the door. So, and I'm going to paint this in here probably black. Have it black and white or paint the whole thing white. I don't know. But this is coming off. These things are coming off. I'm going to figure out how to take these things off. It's a little wreath. It's a little wreath, and you see underneath there, and it has glue. So I'm very carefully going to take this off and maybe use it for something else. And I'm going to take the blessed off. And it looks like that is nailed in. So I'm very carefully, I'll probably bust it when I try to take it off. And it's glued. So the parts that are hooked to the white part are glued. Like right here on this is glued. This top piece is glued. Right here is glued. So I'm going to try to take it off very carefully. But I love it. So cool. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I do know that I am going to hang it upstairs somewhere. So let me show you what else I got. I was looking at Pinterest the other day, and I think I mentioned it in one of my videos too. It's like, oh, I need to get some of those leaves. I was going to get all my fall stuff out and look to see what I had for florals. And I did get it all out. It's over there. I'm going to do a video on that. There's only 7 boxes, but they're small. One big one and the rest of them are small. And I got it divvied up between rooms. So we're going to go through that later, but they have a bunch of these. The oak leaves. Oak leaves. What is this one? Maple leaves. I love maple leaves. And grape leaves. They look like maple leaves. That's weird. And then I got oak leaves. So I got 2 oak and a maple. When I go back down there this week, I will grab a couple more maple leaves, so I have you know, like 2 each, and another one of grape leaves. I don't know why those ones are different. Oh, I see. Yeah, they're shaped different. Okay. So I did pick up a few because I'm not sure of projects yet. I know I have, actually I don't have any fall projects, just Halloween, no fall projects. I do have a couple of those Happy Harvest trucks from last year. I have a couple of those. When things get closer, I may decide to do something with that. I don't know. I got them hanging over here on my thing. I was going through by the candles. I'm like, oh, I always get the apple cinnamon and the orange, some kind of orange, like apple pie or whatever, every year. Well, this year they have different ones. These are $5, and oh, it smells so good. This one is called Pumpkin Marshmallow, and it's a 3-wick candle. I'm gonna go back and get another one to leave it down here and just either light it when I'm down here or leave it open, because it smells beautiful. So I am gonna get another one of those before they're all gone. And then the other thing I got, this is in with the fall stuff, but it's also for like Halloween. And for what I want to do with my mantle this year for Halloween is different than what I usually do. And this is cute. They had these out. They had orange and the white. And it has a little light on the bottom. We'll take this little thingy out. These were $3. And it's a little light. Can you see? It's a little light. And I really wish they had it in black. So I'm debating on getting another one of these. I still may, or just keep it white and get, debating on getting 3 more actually. So I can paint 2 of them black for Halloween time. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Or if I just want 1 more and paint it black and just forego the white altogether. I haven't decided. They were $3. So, and they always put these stickers on the bottom. So there is the fall stuff that I got. Not very much, just a couple of things. Don't forget to check out your Family Dollar, along with your like Dollar Generals and your Family Dollars, you know, Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is slowly putting out the florals. They haven't really had a whole lot. I'm going over this week, so we'll see if they have more. But I couldn't pass this up. So I'll put this over here with my other stuff and do it. And so it's right there. This is kind of cute. I'll leave it there for now. I'll put it over with my fall stuff since I got it out. But I'll leave my florals. I have a bucket up over there that I put them all in. So I will add these to it. And my candle will go upstairs. Ariel hasn't seen this yet. Oh, it smells so good. So, alrighty. So that is it for my fall haul. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.